Okay, it is day number 8 of me being self-quarantined. I have no more TV to watch. I'm so bored. I don't want to be sitting on the couch watching TV. So I'm going to be repainting my front door. I'm going to take you along on this journey as I repaint my door. Next time you see this, it's going to be blue. I'm going to fix it up. I'm going to fill in all the holes. I'm going to sand it. I'm going to clean it. It's going to be beautiful. I can't wait to show you what I'm going to be doing and the end result. So stick around. Okay, look at this now. Next time you see it, it is going to be shining copper, just like this. I started cleaning it, but now I'm going to do a deep clean, and the whole thing is going to look beautiful. So can't wait to see how it comes out. So I turned over this metal. It was black the last time you saw it. Let's check what's happening here. Whoa. Okay, it's getting there. It still needs a few more minutes, so let's put it back in. Just put it back in. This was white. Now it's green. Okay, stay tuned. So I took the screws out of the solution, and they are copper right now. They're not black. They were originally black, like a little bit like that. That was the entire screw. And now it's copper. I still need to clean the inside because it looked like some of the solution got in there. But I'm very excited. Stay tuned. Okay, so now it's time to sand the door. So what you're gonna need is some sandpaper. Now I already sanded a lot of the door. That's why it looks like this. But you're gonna find anything that's not smooth. See, like right here. And you're gonna sand it away. I just want to show you how much I sanded already, because look at that. It's all from being sanded. So you're gonna, this is from the copper. It's getting cleaned. Sanding time. Now that the entire door is sanded, smoothened out, the mail slot is taken out, everything is basically ready to get painted. What I need to do now is take a wet cloth. So wet cloth and wipe down anything that's extra, any type of extra sand. Like over here, there's some extra sand because I don't want the paint to be thick and like sandy. I want the paint to be smooth. You see that? It's gonna be beautiful. See? So now you add a little bit of a shine. It's gonna dry. It's gonna air dry. It's gonna be real quick. All I'm doing is taking off all the extra sand that I sanded and getting it ready to get painted. This is the best part because the hard work is all done. The hard work is all done. See over here? I need to clean that all out so it gets a little bit more smooth. I'm excited. This is awesome. See, that looks bad. You see this? But when you rub your finger across it, it's smooth. And if you don't like it, what do? Take the sandpaper and you just sand it a little bit more. And then you take the wet, damp towel, you smooth it out much better. Stay tuned. Right now I'm about to climb up this ladder because I can't reach the top of the door. Whoa. So, top of the door, I sanded, and I need to clean away all of the extra sand. I love this jacket, by the way. Super cute. Super cute. Yeah, there's nothing better to do when you're in quarantine than to clean and fix your door. Okay, so this is how the door looks right now. I'm about to paint it, but before I do, again, I kept the mail slot off. I'm not putting it back on until it's painted. I want to give you a little. This is not done yet, okay? This all is getting fixed, and this is the original color. Now let me show you what I figured out. Look at this. I'm just showing you a little bit, but look how pretty that color is. It's real copper. And I just want to say, how I cleaned this was just through vinegar and salt. So it's very easy. This is not done yet. A lot of it is cleaned, but down at the bottom, I need to get it in all these holes. When I finish, it's gonna look beautiful. And I cannot wait. Stay tuned. Next time you see this door, it's gonna be blue. Peace out. It is painting time. What you'll need is a paintbrush. That's it. Only a paintbrush. I'm excited. This is clean. There's nothing on it yet. Can't wait to get that blue. That blue, baby. On this door. Here we go. Okay, are you ready for the first? Here we go. I'm very excited. Whoa. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be stunning. Now, for those of you who do not know my house, I have these gorgeous blue tiles. Gorgeous blue tiles outside. I do not have to do any exercise because painting is an exercise. Like, oh my gosh, I'm out of breath. I need a drink. And I'm climbing this ladder, literally, oh my gosh, because I need to get to higher spots. There we go. There comes a time when you just need to take a little bit of time. Take a break. Take some time for yourself. Always remember, take some time for yourself. I'm gonna have some potato chips because that painting just like, I'm so tired. There's also nothing like the outdoors. Let me take a little bit of time to relax. I made a bracha before, just letting you know. So good. Wow. It's just what I needed. Wise potato chips. While I'm talking to you, comment what should be my next project. What should I design next? I know, like, you don't know my house or anything, but for my friends who do know my house, what should I do? I think I'm gonna, I don't know, what should I do? Should I paint my foyer now? It's like a beige. I think I'm gonna do white. Maybe I'll add some metals. I'm, by the way, a registered and licensed interior designer. I went to school. I designed buildings in Manhattan, so now I'm just using my skills during this quarantine time to design my parents' house. Should be fun. It is fun. I'm enjoying. These are amazing. Okay, so I'm working on the first coat right now. Let's show you. This is the first coat, okay? Not done yet. I'm still in the middle of painting the first coat. I've not finished yet. This is how it looks so far. This is what we're up to with the door. This part I have not finished yet. I still have to scrape it down, fix that piece, and finish painting the rest. But I love this color. It's so pretty. Okay, so now I just put this back on. I have to screw in all of the, just gonna screw that in right there. There we go. I think that's tight enough. This one in now. Oh wow.
It's kind of cold out here.
I love it. I actually love it. Oops. Let's turn that all the
Oh my gosh,
way.
no, it's not 48 here.
Wait, let me turn this one. Also, it's gonna...
Don't tighten it too much.
There we go. Okay, this is the new color of the door slot, the mail slot, okay? I want to show you the original color. This is the original before it was redone. This I'm still fixing. Don't worry about that. This was the original color, okay? And this is what it became. This is so pretty, and it looks so nice. This is how the door looks so far. Okay, my friends, first coat is done. I'm exhausted. Second coat starts tomorrow morning. I can't wait to get this door done because first coat looks really nice. Can't wait to see how the final coat is going to look. Well, now I'm gonna go eat something for dinner. Oh, I'm so tired. As an interior designer, I never actually had to scrape and putty and paint the actual door. What I do is I usually pick out the paint color, pick out the finishing, pick out the metals and all that, all the finishes. It's very interesting that I can't have a painter in my house right now. I can't have somebody who does finishes and all this stuff. I can't have a guy in my house doing things. I have to do it myself. So it is my first time, and I accepted this challenge. And yeah, I'm actually happy I'm outside for a little bit today. It's my first time leaving the door. I mean, leaving, as you can tell, I haven't been feeling so well today. It's my first time leaving the house. It is 7:30. Look at that sky. Hashem, you're amazing. Check it out. Just what I didn't realize is that after I applied the first coat, could still see some of the lines even though I put a lot of this putty on it. So I am going to redo that. All I need is this and the putty. So this is what we do. Open it up. Take some out. See? I'm going to just put it on from the top. Like that. There you go. So yep, I'm ruining the blue. I'm going to make this thin. Hopefully this time it should take away the lines. Okay, I'm going to get to work.
Look what happened just now.
The most important thing is to make sure the putty knife is clean when you're scraping. I got a little bit tired just now, so my mom is taking over. We're just trying to make sure that after I painted it, I saw lines, and me being the perfectionist that I am, I don't want those lines in the new door. But
is this the same color as the dresser upstairs? That same blue?
It's very similar. Isn't that funny?
Today is a new day. I'm going to finish up with the door. Let's get it started. Okay, so this all dried. I have to sand it again to make it smooth so I can repaint. That's what I'm going to be doing. Okay, right now I'm in my bathroom because I'm getting a little bit delayed. I forgot to clean the paintbrush last night. And I went to sleep. My mom actually saw the paintbrush and she put it into water right away. I'll show you where it is right now. It's been soaking in water, but that doesn't help because once it's left out, if it's not cleaned right away, it hardens and I can't paint until all this paint comes out. So I'm gonna be a little bit delayed right now until I figure out how to clean the paintbrush. I'm gonna go do some research. I think maybe alcohol takes it out, but we'll check it out. Almost finished. I need to touch up some spots. I need to touch up over there, there, all over there, and I need to fix this area. But I'm so happy that it's so much better than it was. Thank you so much for tuning into Quarantine Chronicles Episode 1. As you saw how I painted the door, I hope Quarantine Chronicles Episode 2 will be coming soon. Well, if you liked, give it a thumbs up and a like, and comment below what your favorite part of the entire video was. Thank you to all my friends and family friends who actually came by in their cars to check out the door that I was working on, because I did message them, come check it out. You guys gave me a thumbs up, so I'm very happy. My hard work paid off. Love you all. Mwah.